Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be a nighttime cleaning routine video. So right now I'm just showing you the disaster that is my house after I put Sydney to bed. Dishes everywhere, toys strewn all over the floor, couch a mess, just totally a cluttered mess. So I thought I would show you what I do at night to clean my house and declutter as much as possible. And trust me, I didn't want to do it, but it's got to be done. So the first thing that I do is straighten out the couch. Even just straightening up the pillows helps the living room feel so much more clean. Is anyone else's child like this? Sydney, it's like she can't stand seeing the pillows all neat and clean. She has to jump in them, throw them the instant I pick up the couch. It drives me insane. Next, I tackle all the toys that are all over my living room. It doesn't matter that we have a playroom. She still brings toys wherever she goes. We are working on the put a toy away if you're not playing it thing, but we literally just started that. So Mama is picking up all the toys and all the little pieces that are absolutely everywhere. Next, I usually wipe down the coffee table, which is absolutely disgusting from just food and sticky fingers on it all day long. So I usually find some toys hidden in the floral arrangement and wipe everything down there. And then I realized my end table was very dusty because apparently I never dust it. So I had to clean that as well. And then next I am wiping down Sydney's table. Sometimes I let it go and it actually surprises me. This is an IKEA table and it costs like 35 bucks. And I used to be crazy about keeping it like wiped down and clean instantly because it's white, but I'm very impressed with its wipeability. It's standing up to a lot of tomato sauce, a lot of crumbs. So I highly recommend this.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
So next I am tackling the kitchen and starting with my glass top stove. I like to wipe this down every single night, otherwise it just looks gross. Glass top stoves, I'm sure you guys all know who have them. So I wipe that all down and make sure the counters are all sanitized and clean from whatever we were cooking all day. We baked a third batch of pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, made some fresh dough pizza for dinner, and just kind of all the gunk that was on there from the day.
Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
Next, I was tackling the dishes and just loading the dishwasher with everything that I can until it was full, and then washing everything else by hand. Because I have a dishwasher, I just hate washing dishes by hand, but I also dislike leaving dishes in the sink more. So I have to go to bed as much as possible with an empty sink. And then after I finish the dishes, I usually try to declutter this like little counter area. I cannot help it. It always collects my junk mail, just things, because it's an easy spot to quickly put things down. So I am removing everything that does not belong there. Papers, mail, just random things, Sydney's rice bin. And also I finally started putting my sunglasses, my keys, and my cords in this little bowl, and I can't believe that I haven't gotten a bowl sooner, because it just makes everything it's all in one spot. It's not cluttered and just strewn across the counter. So I really need to get better at staying on top of this space. Another place that becomes a collect-all is this table that I use to edit my videos. It's not even a dining table at this point. It's a collect-all, and it's where I store my computer. So in my defense, I did a project in the playroom. So that's why I have extra junk on there. You see the level. I'm acting like I actually know what I'm doing. So I'm just removing everything, obviously, from there, putting it upstairs if it goes upstairs in the storage areas, and decluttering my workspace. So that is going to do it for my nighttime cleaning routine video. It just makes me feel so much less stressed and anxious when I go to bed with a clean house and then I wake up the next morning and no toys are on the floor. Sometimes, admittedly, I get caught up in work and I don't clean up everything that I, would like to. So when I wake up in the next day, it just puts me in a mood. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got some cleaning motivation, and I'll talk to you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Mwah.